Hi, and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. This wall behind me, many people ask me why, and some even ask how. Well, I'm going to answer both those questions, coming up after this. My first yellow tool was probably this DeWalt bandsaw, and I was very happy with it. So when the time came to choose a better cordless drill, DeWalt was a pretty natural choice. I don't think there's much to choose between the major brands. Of course, when you're into a particular battery system, the numbers do tend to grow. So when it became time to replace my file handles, which were wooden and moth-eaten, the yellow was an obvious choice to 3D print some new ones. And from there it just snowballed. So how do you go about it if you want a colour coordinated workshop? Well, there's 5 ways. First one, buy yellow. It's not hard to find screwdrivers etc. that are based in yellow. It's pretty common. You're certainly not limited to one manufacturer or even expensive ones. The second is paint. A lot of tools are already painted, so painting them a different colour is pretty straightforward. Here are some examples. G-clamps and wrenches. Just don't paint things that weren't painted originally. It doesn't look good. The third is 3D printing, as I showed earlier. If you have one, it's a great way to expand your yellowness. Of course, with 3D printing, not only the tools can be yellow, so can the holders. Clips, mounts, whatever. All in the colour of your choice. And it allows you to make shapes that would be difficult to make any other way. This saw had a red handle. Yuck. A few minutes with Confusion 360 and it designed a replacement handle. Press it into place and it's good to go. A second one, which had been foolishly handled in blue, quickly followed. And that's another 2 within easy reach. The fourth is plastic sheet and heat shrink. The heat shrink can be particularly effective, but not always. It can look bad if you don't get it right. Here it gave a neater end to the end of a saw. And here a handle to a spanner. It was originally red. Yellow sticky back plastic covers the branding label on this magnetic strip. The fifth and newest to me is liquid rubber, and amazing stuff it is too. You just dip the object into the material very slowly. They recommend 5 seconds per inch. To the depth you want. And remove at the same slow speed. And it comes out drip free. Leave to dry for up to 30 minutes before another coat. After only dipping twice, I have this very acceptable finish. And there we have it. So why not go for a colour coordinated workshop? It brings karma in both spellings of the word. That's all for this time. Bye for now.